Hey everyone! Numerous opportunities for work and play are made possible by the ASUS ZenScreen MB229CF, a multi-purpose portable display. This monitor is the perfect choice for people who value comfort, mobility, and flexibility because it supports connections to PCs, laptops, game consoles, and more. It also comes with a number of features and installation options. The ZenScreen has been carefully designed by ASUS, which also offers a full range of accessories. The monitor itself, an HDMI and USB Type-C cable, a power adapter, a power cable, and many fasteners such as a clamp, bracket, hook, and stand are all included in the box. To make setup quick and simple, the kit also comes with documentation and an L-shaped screwdriver. There are 3 different options to place the monitor. Lightweight for a portable monitor, the ZenScreen is made of sturdy black plastic. It balances portability and sturdy construction with a weight of 2.2 kilos without the stand and 4 kilos with it. The back panel of the frameless monitor has a 1/4 inch tripod jack and 100 by 100 millimeters mounting holes that are compatible with VESA. The left side handily houses all of the connectors, including HDMI, a 3.5 millimeters audio jack, and USB-C with power delivery capability. On the right side are control buttons and an activity indicator that illuminates amber in standby mode and white while active. The ZenScreen MB229CF's display, which has a 21.5-inch diagonal screen with full HD quality. No matter the viewing angle, the IPS panel maintains exceptional image quality thanks to its wide 178-degree viewing angles and excellent color reproduction. Even in strongly lit areas, a matte display covering ensures comfortable use by reducing glare. 16.7 million colors are displayed on the monitor, which has an 8-bit color depth for a vibrant and lifelike palette. This makes it a great option for viewing videos, editing photos, and creating graphics. Smoother transitions are offered by the 100 Hz refresh rate, which is higher than the typical 60 Hz for workplace displays and appropriate for light gaming and multimedia activities. The 5 milliseconds response time of the display increases its adaptability to a variety of use cases. The monitor has a 1000:1 contrast ratio for sharp details in both bright and dark environments, and a brightness of 250 nits. Slick images are guaranteed by sophisticated image technologies like adaptive sync, which synchronizes the refresh rate with the frame rate of the GPU. Low blue light settings to reduce exposure to blue light and flicker-free technology to lessen backlight flickering are eye care features that make extended use more comfortable. While the Splendid function gives 8 preset modes suited to various activities, such as gaming, reading, or watching videos, additional features like grid and alignment overlays help with precise scaling for layouts. The ZenScreen has a high-quality IPS display, a refresh rate of 100 Hz, support for adaptive sync, and a variety of mounting options, making it ideal for a variety of jobs. For programmers, designers, managers, and independent contractors looking to establish a cozy and effective workstation anyplace, its sturdy build and universal ports make it a great option. The ASUS ZenScreen MB229CF is a dependable partner for business, education, and light gaming since it combines portability and performance. For contemporary consumers, it offers outstanding value and versatility, whether used as a primary or secondary display. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Have a nice day and God bless you.